Today we're going to try out a 1000 amp multifunction jump starter from Audew, available through Amazon for under $60. It's a jump starter, a power bank, and a very bright LED flashlight. After running the battery down on this vehicle, I ran a battery test and you can see it says a 0% charge. So we're going to go inside and see if it'll turn over. And that's never a good sound, so we'll turn the jump starter on. We have a full charge. We'll hook up red to red and black to black. And there's an indicator light that tells you, the green light tells you you have everything hooked up right and it's ready to go. So we'll see how it does. And last, it comes packaged very nicely in a carrying case with the jump starter right here and the cables in here and everything you need to charge it at home and store it in your trunk. I was really impressed with the way this compact yet powerful jump starter performed. It had no problem starting a car with a battery that had little to no charge. If you'd like to learn more about it, I'll put the product link in the description along with any other important information. I hope you enjoyed this video on the 1000 amp jump starter from Audew, and if you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.